VeChain is the world's leading blockchain application platform in the world. Don't you believe it? Watch this video and think again. Reason 1. VeChain works by giving physical products unique IoT sensors, usually through radio frequency identification, QR codes, or NFC. IoT sensors track key metrics such as temperature, humidity, and location information throughout the entire journey, at each checkpoint during transit. If the food temperature falls or rises, the VeChain Thor blockchain platform will automatically trigger an alert. Data is cryptographically secured with a timestamp, so nobody can change the data without leaving a trace. VeChain sits in the background ensuring customers get their fit of fresh foods. VeChain sensors can be easily used in cold chain industries, such as food, pharmaceutical, storage, and transportation of fragile products. Reason 2. Let's talk about VeChain's enabling medical solutions, eCert app to record COVID-19 cases, and also certify immunizations that show that patients have gotten COVID shot. The vaccinated personnel also receives a digital certificate. The digital certificates are another step towards the digital transformation of the healthcare industry. Reason 3. When it comes to an enterprise-friendly public blockchain platform, VeChain is one of the pioneers of connecting NFTs with the real world. VeChain Thor blockchain is the best platform for building NFT-related applications. VeChain offers a secure, high-speed, and stable protocol, coupled with features to remove the complexities of blockchain and comprehensive support to applications with real value. Reason 4. You can download Thor Wallet on your Android and iOS smartphones. Thor mobile wallet users can stake their VET to earn passive income. If you're in the cryptocurrency space and the longer you stake VET, the more you earn. It secures the mobile wallet by using two-factor authentication. It has a very simple interface, and users can track transactions held outside their mobile wallets.